Have you ever wondered why some people seem to age faster than others? Why some seniors stay sharp, energetic, and glowing well into their 70s and 80s, while others struggle with fatigue, wrinkles, memory loss, and constant illness? The shocking truth is that one hidden factor controls so much of this, and most seniors have no idea it's silently harming them every single day. That factor is antioxidants, or more accurately, the deadly lack of antioxidants. Here's what you need to know. Every second, your body is under attack by free radicals. These unstable molecules damage your cells, speed up aging, and fuel diseases like cancer, heart disease, diabetes, and Alzheimer's. Antioxidants are your body's natural defense system. They neutralize free radicals before they can destroy your health. But here's the shocking part. After 50, your antioxidant defenses start to decline rapidly, and unless you're careful, you could be making 7 deadly mistakes that leave your body wide open to damage. Most seniors are making at least one of these mistakes right now. Some are making all 7. And the scariest part? The damage builds slowly, silently, until one day it shows up as a diagnosis you never saw coming. But the good news is that once you know these mistakes, you can fix them. And the last one on this list is so shocking, it may completely change how you think about aging. The first deadly mistake is relying too heavily on supplements instead of real food. Seniors are often told to just take a pill for everything. Vitamin C capsules, vitamin E tablets, antioxidant blends in fancy bottles. But here's the shocking truth. Most antioxidant supplements don't work the way you think. Many are poorly absorbed. Some are synthetic, not natural. And worse, studies show that taking too much of a single antioxidant, like vitamin E, can actually increase health risks. The mistake isn't taking supplements. It's believing they can replace the rich, complex mix of antioxidants found in whole foods, like berries, leafy greens, and nuts. Supplements should support your diet, not replace it. And the next mistake builds on this in an even scarier way. The second shocking mistake is eating too many processed foods. Think about it. Packaged snacks, frozen meals, fast food, sugary drinks. They're convenient, they taste good, but they are loaded with hidden dangers. These foods not only lack antioxidants, they actually create more free radicals in your body. Imagine this. You eat a sugary snack, your blood sugar spikes, your cells become stressed, and free radicals explode inside you. Without antioxidants to fight them, those free radicals start damaging your DNA, your arteries, even your brain. And here's where it gets worse. Processed foods often contain chemicals and preservatives that trigger even more oxidative stress. It's like throwing gasoline on a fire. And the next mistake may surprise you even more because it involves something you think is harmless. The third deadly mistake is cooking the wrong way. Most seniors don't realize that the way you cook can either preserve antioxidants or destroy them. Frying, microwaving, and overcooking vegetables can strip away their antioxidant power. For example, boiling broccoli until it's soft and mushy removes most of its vitamin C. Frying fish at high temperatures destroys delicate omega-3s. The shocking truth is that how you prepare food is just as important as what you eat. Steaming, lightly sautéing, or eating some foods raw can dramatically increase the antioxidant value. And here's the real danger. Many seniors are unknowingly cooking away the very nutrients their bodies desperately need. But the next mistake is even more shocking because it involves something as basic as what you drink. The fourth mistake is not drinking enough water. It sounds simple, but dehydration is one of the hidden dangers of aging. Without enough water, your body can't flush out toxins effectively. Waste builds up, oxidative stress increases, and free radicals do even more damage. Seniors often drink coffee, tea, or soda and think it counts as hydration. But here's the shocking truth. Many of these drinks are diuretics, which actually dehydrate the body further. Chronic dehydration makes you feel tired, makes your skin wrinkle faster, and weakens your immune system. Imagine trying to fight a battle without enough soldiers. That's what happens when you deprive your body of water while free radicals run wild. And the next mistake is even more dangerous because it's tied directly to your lifestyle. The fifth shocking mistake is living a sedentary life. Too much sitting, too little movement. Exercise is one of the most powerful ways to boost your body's own antioxidant defenses. When you move, your body produces more natural antioxidants to protect your cells from stress. But here's the shocking truth. Most seniors in America are sitting more than 7 hours a day. That means their antioxidant defenses are shutting down, leaving them vulnerable to disease. And the worst part? Even if you eat well, if you don't move your body, you are not activating your antioxidant army. It's like having weapons, but never using them. And the next mistake is even more shocking because it doesn't come from what you eat or do, it comes from how you feel. The sixth deadly mistake is ignoring stress. Most seniors shrug it off, telling themselves, I just have a lot on my mind. But stress floods your body with cortisol, a hormone that fuels free radical damage. Every worry, every sleepless night, every argument, it all adds up, slowly weakening your antioxidant defenses. And here's the shocking truth. Stress ages your cells faster than smoking. It accelerates wrinkles, memory loss, and even heart disease. Seniors who don't manage stress are making one of the most dangerous mistakes of all, because stress eats away at your health from the inside out. But the seventh mistake, this one is the most shocking of all, because it's something you probably never thought about. The seventh deadly mistake is ignoring variety. Many seniors eat the same foods every week. Bananas for breakfast, chicken for dinner, maybe a sandwich for lunch. It feels safe, familiar, but it's actually dangerous. Your body needs a wide variety of antioxidants because each one protects different parts of your cells. Vitamin C fights in one area, vitamin E in another, polyphenols in yet another. Without variety, you leave gaps in your defenses and free radicals slip through. Imagine building a wall but leaving holes in it. That's what happens when you don't eat a rainbow of foods. And the shocking truth is that the seniors who eat the least variety are often the ones who age the fastest. So let's step back. 7 deadly mistakes: relying on supplements instead of real food, eating too many processed snacks, cooking in ways that destroy nutrients, not drinking enough water, living too sedentary, ignoring stress, and failing to eat a wide variety of antioxidant-rich foods. Each one chips away at your body's ability to fight aging, disease, and decline. But here's the hopeful truth. You can change it starting today. You don't need to do everything at once. Start small. Add a handful of blueberries to your breakfast. Drink an extra glass of water before lunch. Take a 10-minute walk after dinner. Steam your vegetables instead of frying them. Call a friend and laugh. It lowers stress more than you realize. Try a new fruit or vegetable you haven't eaten in years. Every little step increases your antioxidant power, and every increase means more protection for your cells. The formula for successful aging isn't about chasing magic pills or living perfectly. It's about making small, smart choices that build up over time. Antioxidants are your body's shield, and you have the power to strengthen that shield one decision at a time. Imagine yourself 5 years from now, walking with more energy, thinking clearly, looking younger, and feeling proud of your health. That future is not just possible, it's waiting for you. So ask yourself, are you letting these 7 deadly mistakes steal your antioxidants, your energy, and your future? Or are you ready to take control starting today? The choice is yours, and the power to age successfully, with strength, clarity, and joy, is already inside you.